Welcome back. Now we've now created two additional products. We've created Advanced Videos Lite version as well as Advanced Videos 1 version. Now 1 version, which is the Videos 1, is considered to be an upsell to the original product we created. The other product is going to be a downsell. So now what we need to do is we need to connect those products to our offer. And so to do that, we're going to go to the Offers tab. And then when we go to the Offers tab, we are going to click inside of How to Launch on WarriorPlus. That's going to open us up into the offer screen. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our product to the main page. So we're going to click Add a Product. And then we're going to get a dialog box allowing us to add in certain products. We'll get to the drop-down menu. And then we're going to add in the WarriorPlus video tutorials, and then we're going to click Save. Before we do that, we're going to make sure that our commission rate is correct, and then we'll click Save. Now you'll notice two things have changed. One is that you'll now have a dialog box in the message stating that this offer needs to be submitted to be reviewed before it can show up in the marketplace. So we'll need to click this link when our offer is ready to be reviewed. That'll be once we have placed the buy buttons on the sales pages and that it's all ready to be purchased. What we're going to do now is we're going to add a product to this area in our advanced WarriorPlus videos. We're going to click Add a Product, and then we're going to use the drop-down menu. We're going to add in the video, and then we're going to click Save. You'll notice then that WarriorPlus will tell us that this page is not yet in our funnel. We are going to correct that shortly. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this last box. We're going to click Add a Product, and then we're going to add in the last product that we have available. We're then going to click Save. And you'll see then that it's been considered that this page is also not in our funnel. So what we need to do now is we need to organize the offers the way we want them to appear to the client. So what we want to do is we want them to see the second offer or the upsell once they've purchased this offer, which is the main one. And so to do that, we're then going to go to this black button that says Add Upsell. We're going to click that black button. And then we're going to add in the upsell. Pull down the drop-down menu. And then we're going to click the Advanced WarriorPlus videos. We'll then click Save. Once we have done that, then you'll notice that our dialog box has gone away. What we need to do now is we need to now arrange the downsell. And what we're going to do is we're going to click this button that says Add Downsell. And then we're going to add in a downsell page, which we have already created. And then we're going to click Save. Now you'll notice that our message has gone away. What we want to do now is we want to make sure that our funnel appears the way we want it. So we're going to click this button. And our offer appears the way we want it, so that when the person purchases this product, they'll then see the upsell. If they choose the upsell, then they can move on. If they don't choose the upsell, they'll then be shown this additional offer. In order to see the rest of the offer, all we'll need to do is to scroll up, and then our offer and products will be visible. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.